Hi, in this video we are going to learn what is the version we have installed in our laptop or desktop, the Google Chrome version. Okay, so we can open a Google Chrome browser and click on this option, customize and control Google Chrome option. Go to settings and click on about Chrome option. Here we can see the Google Chrome software, what is the version it has installed. Okay, the version number it has given, and also it is showing in my laptop the Chrome is up to date. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.